In this video I will show you a trick called the multiple assignment trick. The multiple assignment trick is a shortcut that lets you assign multiple variables with the values in a list in one line of code. So first we write cat as a list, and then we want to assign fat to size, black to color, and loud to this position. Instead of doing this, we could type this line of code. We write the list cat, and after that we write size, color, and disposition equals to cat. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more Python videos.